10 everyday things that get easier the farther you go in your fitness journey. Number 10, climbing up and down stairs. It'll get easier on your knees, your legs, and your cardio. 9, getting on and off the toilet bowl. Sitting and standing will feel a lot less challenging. 8, standing in line for long periods of time. Yes, your standing stamina will improve, so waiting in line won't feel so painful. 7, household chores like vacuuming, doing the dishes, gardening, washing your car. You will have a lot more muscle endurance and energy to get your household daily tasks done. 6, maybe not a daily thing, but traveling. Carrying all those suitcases, walking, sightseeing. The further you are in your fitness journey, the more enjoyable traveling will be. 5, shopping. Whether it's just window shopping or going in and out of stores, all that walking and standing will feel a lot more manageable. You'll find yourself taking less and less breaks on those mall benches. And of course, grocery shopping, carrying all those bags and pushing that cart. 4, going out with friends. I don't know what you do on your weekends, but if you like to go out with friends, go dancing, you'll actually have a good time. Number 3, sleeping. If you have trouble sleeping at night, believe it or not, the further you get in your fitness journey, the easier it will be to get some Z's. Number 2, taking care of your kids. Carrying your baby, pushing the stroller, playing with your toddler, running outdoors, doing activities, chasing them. All that is going to be a lot easier on your body. You're going to have more and more stamina to keep up. And number 1, your personal interests and activities. If you like to go biking, hiking, swimming, playing any type of sport like basketball, tennis, it doesn't even have to be physically demanding, like painting, sculpting, literally anything that you enjoy doing. Not only will you have the physical stamina to do it, but you're also going to have that mental boost of energy. It all goes hand in hand. The further you get in your fitness journey, you'll notice that everything will just start coming into place. Maybe not in the order that I mentioned, and maybe not everything that I mentioned, but you will definitely see improvements. This is the list that I created, but I would love to hear about the everyday things that have improved in your life during your fitness journey. Comment on this video, I'd love to hear it. As always, wishing you the best with your fitness journey. Keep going.